All right, so you want to select an area, that the customer is looking in on every one of your leads that have come in over the last 30 days. You want to make sure their market report is set up in relationship to somewhere that they're looking. You don't want to send them a random market report that does not add any value. You want to send them a market report that adds value to their search. Or if they bought a home, you want to send them a market report where they bought, because that adds value too. So over here on the left bar, you've got market report. This particular person is looking in Tecumseh, Oklahoma. So I just type in Tecumseh and it pops up right there. And I want to pick city of Tecumseh, and I want to send it out every 28 days, like we just talked about. And then all you do is click add. There. Now they're going to be receiving the market report. Then go up here and click next, and you're going to go back through all of your customers. You're going to go back through all the leads that have come into kvCORE over the last 28 days or 30 days, and you're going to put this for all of them. So scroll down to see where they came from. Okay, this also is a Tecumseh area buyer. So I'm going to click add. I'm going to click Tecumseh. Okay, let it pop up. Make sure you select Tecumseh City. If you want to go rural and do the whole, what is it called? The whole county. If you want to go rural and do the whole county, select the county, guys. Select the county. But send them a market report that adds value. See how it's already on 28 days right here? Click add. And then go through and do this to every single one of your customers. Make sure you're sending it to the right area so that they're receiving value from the market report. It's another great way to stay in touch with your customers, and it gives you 12 more touches throughout the year. And a lot of people say you need 36 touches throughout the year to stay top of mind. As a salesperson, add value, send out your market reports. kvCORE is awesome. And if you would like more information on kvCORE and how kvCORE can be given to you for free, reach out to me, call, text, or email me. I want to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success and the 3 different types of income that Glenn Stanford has built for us here at eXp Realty. Guys, you don't have to sell houses till you die anymore. Glenn's giving you a way, if you take advantage of it, to be able to retire from real estate. Don't expire from real estate, retire from real estate. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, share with any of your friends who want to know how to stay in touch with their customers more, and I'll see you guys on the next video.